Thank you. It is. It's the first, and it's my first time to meet a mayor outside of Taka. I just started traveling. I was in Rajshahi last week, but of course we wanted to come to Chittagong to learn about the port, the business, politics, development. You mentioned the problems with water that you're working on. So really, I would love to hear from you what your priorities are, what conditions are here. This is, we look at this as a learning year, and I'm happy to be able to spend 2 days here.
Oh, yes. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, going to the port, customs, also to the World Food Program to see a warehouse. And I believe we'll have a ship in port tomorrow that is bringing American agricultural products for the Rohingya refugees. And today we're going to meet with some of your prominent citizens. We're going to visit our American corner at the university. And
I'm the trust chairman.
yes. Yes. So, yeah, that's the plan for these few days.
So actually, this is a short summary. So the 6 months that I took as mayor of the Chittagong city.
We still think of that as relatively new.
As not new, but the thing is that city is old for me. But as an administrator or as a mayor, you can say that I'm new. But hopefully in the last 6 months we did a lot of splendid jobs that I'd like to mention.
Yes, thank you.
Actually, it's a brief summary I'd like to express about the Chittagong City Corporation. Chittagong City Corporation actually descended from the name of the Chattogram municipality. Chattogram, Chittagong Chattogram, which was founded on June 22, 1863. 1863, that is. The initial year of the newly formed municipality was only 6 square miles. There were 5 wards at the time, only A, B, C, D, E, only 5 wards. That time, even 1863. The first administrator was at the time J. D. Ward. Late Khan Bahadur Abdul Sattar was the first elected chairman of Chattogram municipality. Late Nur Ahmed was the most significant chairman in the life of the municipality, who introduced the important education system under municipal supervision. He governed the organization for 30 years. So Nur Ahmed. On June 27, 1977, Chattogram municipality was renamed as Chattogram Purashava, and late Fajal Karim became the first elected chairman of the Purashava. On September 16, 1982, the Purashava was upgraded to a municipal corporation, and Brigadier Mafizur Rahman Chaudhary was appointed as the administrator, while the late Fazal Karim became the sub-administrator. Later on July 31, 1990, it was renamed as Chattogram City Corporation. That means July 31, 1990, it was renamed as Chattogram City Corporation. And the government appointed Mr. Mahmudul Islam Chaudhary. You know that Mr. Mahmudul Islam Chaudhary? As mayor at that time, 1990. Later, Mr. Mir Muhammad Nasiruddin, who is also ex-minister, ascended as mayor and continued until the first election in 1994. During the period, you know, the ex-prime minister, Mr. A.B.M. Mohideen Chaudhary, the Army leader, Sheikh Hasina's became the first democratically elected mayor in the Chattogram City Corporation. After that, Alhaz Manjur Alam was elected from the BNP, Al-Ghadiya's party, as mayor of the Chattogram City Corporation election held in 2010. After that, Ajaman Nasiruddin was elected in the City Corporation election held on 28th April 2015, and after that, myself. Currently, the City Corporation area is divided into 41 wards.
It's grown a lot.
41 wards and 8 circles. We have 8 zones and 41 wards. We have a lot of departments. I say first one is the Secretariat Department. This is called Administrative Development. What I say after resuming of this, myself took initiatives to resolve long-standing administrative complications, including promotions and regulations of jobs for officials and employees. E-governance, to bring service closer to citizens. I myself embrace technology. Chattogram City Corporation is going to introduce Amar Chattogram apps. The app's name is Amar Chattogram apps, which allows citizens to report problems like street light, outages, cleaning problem, waste, and hygiene, and many other municipal problems. Already, a WhatsApp-based complaint system was launched. Residents could directly send photos and voice complaints to the relevant departments. An online job portal system has been launched to ensure transparency and accountability in all types of the recruitment process within the Chattogram City Corporation. Community engagement to ensure citizen participation. Political parties and organizations are being engaged in canal cleaning programs. Recently, we are starting the canal cleaning programs for solving the water logging. This is the prime problem in our city. So on that, we engaged all political parties, all NGOs, all other social organizations. And this is administrative department. Next is the engineering department, civil section. For the first 6 months, last 6 months, the civil engineering wing of the engineering department of Chattogram City Corporation has undertaken and completed a range of significant infrastructures, development projects. This includes construction of the bituminous carpeting road, 35.8 km, CC road, 15.5 km, RCC road, 2.4 km. That is Woodward Bridge, completed 2 numbers, ongoing is 8 numbers. We have still 38 projects we have. Region covered, ongoing 14 numbers. And park and playground, we have planned 41 playground, 41 courts. Now is ongoing 5. And retaining one is 1 km. And kitchen market, ongoing is 2. We have almost more than 50 kitchen markets. And we have a canal excavation 1.2 km, bus truck terminal. We have actually one going on 2. One is the Bakuri and there is the Baiji. And we have the plan to go others. The very busy area is the Pahakuli, is the entry point of the Chattogram. We already built 6 buildings. In the next 6 months, the Civil Engineering Department has taken the initiative to carry out the following activities like carpeting road 50 km, football bridge 13, CC road 20 km, or CC road 10 km, drain 25. We had 1,600 km drains, Chicago City Corporation. So now our drain work is 25 km, footpath 20 km, bridge culvert 10 numbers, park playground more than 10, retaining wall 2 km, buildings 3 numbers. And mechanical section to improve the city's road infrastructures. The mechanical branch of the engineering department has purchased the following vehicles and equipments in the first 6 months. Actually, this is our main problem. We have to buy the equipment for water logging problems, for any panels or even the drains cleaning. That is very costly, chain dozer, roller, payloader, excavator, double drum road roller. These all are the very costly equipment. So actually, we are asking our local ministry, LGRD, local government rural development, there is a budget for this, 400 crore. But still, we are not getting this money.
That was going to be one of my questions: is how is your cooperation?